The City of Mountain View, California Library, a systems tour prepared for LIS 587 by Bettencourt-McCarthy. In this presentation, I'll be analyzing the different systems that are used by the Mountain View, California Public Library. The City of Mountain View Public Library in Mountain View, California is considered a city department, much like the Parks Department. It is therefore not surprising that the library's website is one subsection of the city's general site. All of the page URLs associated with the library end in .gov, indicating that the library's website is hosted by the city. The library uses an ILS from Innovative Interfaces to manage material circulation, preferred searches, and other activity. One of the first things you may notice about the library's catalog is that there are two ways in which to access it. The top search field on the last slide directs patrons to the legacy catalog, the interface for which is shown above. The library also introduced a new discovery layer for the OPAC that uses the Encore platform from Innovative Interfaces. When I first began using the library's website, I was confused by the two different catalog interfaces. I decided to test each one out with a few basic queries. The same search terms yielded different results depending on the interface, and the results were displayed in very different ways. After using both interfaces, I found the Encore discovery layer to be a huge improvement over the legacy catalog in terms of both search experience and ease of use. The query results from both the legacy catalog and discovery layer are displayed here. In addition to the two catalog interfaces I just discussed, the library also provides links to apps for Apple and Android mobile devices that allow patrons to access the catalog without having to use a traditional computer. The library provides access to ebooks from a variety of providers. Patrons can find ebooks either by searching the general catalog or by using the links shown here to search a specific provider's offerings directly. The library maintains an active presence on several social media sites including Facebook, Flickr, and Twitter. The youth librarians maintain separate pages, not pictured, focused specifically on reaching out to local teens. The library also maintains two blogs. One is specifically dedicated to teens while the other is geared towards adult patrons. Both use the Blogger platform from Google, which is fitting since the library is located only about a mile away from Google headquarters. The City of Mountain View Public Library is not part of a larger library system or consortia. This can prove frustrating to patrons who find their access to materials limited by what one library can collect on its own. To help remedy this problem, the library uses Link Plus to facilitate their interlibrary loan program. After researching the systems in place at the City of Mountain View Public Library, I've come to some general conclusions. The library is running a variety of systems, many of which are mentioned on their website. But as a patron, I have noticed several additional systems, such as automated materials handling technologies, that are not listed. Systems librarians at the library may be responsible for managing some or all of these systems, and given their number and diversity, this is no small feat. If interested in more information about the City of Mountain View Public Library, here are some links to get you started. These are also the sources I used when creating this presentation. Thank you for listening.